In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change password on your iPhone. So we have two ways. Either you can change the password of your lock screen whenever you are trying to unlock your phone. It is going to ask you the passcode, how to change it. This is what I'm addressing in the first session. Afterwards, I'll demonstrate to you on changing another one as well. So the first one, if you want to change your passcode, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now once you tap on the settings, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to Face ID and passcode, and right now you need to tap on it and just type your current passcode. You just need to type it, and right now from here, if you scroll it down a little bit, you can see that under over here you can see change passcode. You can tap on it, and right now you have to type your current passcode. You have to type what is the current passcode. Now once you type it, it is asking you for newer passcode. And also if you tap on the passcode options, you can see either you can set for a 4-digit number, or if you need a 6-digit, you can go for it. And also if you need any custom numeric code, any kind of thing, you can also set it as well. Right? So this is what you have to do. Another one of changing the password is all about your Apple ID. And if you want to know it, what you need to do is you want to tap on the settings. Now from here you have to tap on the profile icon over here. Just tap on it. Now from here you have to tap on sign in and security, and what you need to do, just tap on it and just wait. And right now you can see there is an option called change password. You have to tap on it. So what happens is your Apple ID password will be changed as well. So these are the two ways on how we can do it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.